Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add or update your bio on your Facebook profile. Whether you're introducing yourself for the first time or giving your profile a fresh touch, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, head straight to your profile. To do this, tap on your profile picture or name, which you'll find either on the top of the screen or in the menu section. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the option labeled Edit Profile. It's usually located right below your cover photo or profile picture. Tap on it to access all the editable sections of your profile. Next, scroll down until you find the Bio section. This is where you can add a short description about yourself, your interests, hobbies, or anything that lets people know more about who you are. Once you locate it, tap on the section to open the bio editor. Now it's time to get creative. Type in your desired bio text. You can keep it simple or add a personal touch with emojis and line breaks to make it stand out. Remember, this is what others will see when they visit your profile, so make it count. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, tap on Save. Your new bio will now appear on your profile for everyone to see. And that's it. You've successfully added or updated your bio on Facebook. It's a small change that can make a big impact on how others perceive your profile. If you ever want to update it again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for joining me today. Keep exploring more ways to personalize your Facebook experience and make your profile uniquely yours. See you next time.